Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing DA. Today we are fishing out on the big Winnebago. As you guys saw in my last video with Mr. Flamingo, we were fishing the the mouth where it feeds into the bridge. It just got too nasty out here, so we couldn't stay out here as planned, so we had to go and hide under the bridges and do the whole bridge white bass fishing. Well, today's a little calmer. It is raining, as you guys can see. I waited to do this intro because this morning was kind of wet, so I didn't want to risk taking out the electronics, and you guys know the drill. Like I just didn't want the camera to get wet. So here it is. It's a late intro. We are catching fish. We're having a good time. Let me show you guys what we're using, and let's get right into it. Let me take this down here real quick. So in today's video, we are using a green jig head. Doesn't matter which kind you use. I like using the 1/4 ounce jig head, bigger hook. That way when they smash it, it'll hook onto them. And a live minnow. Okay, there we go. That is the bait right there. Simple. I'm fishing in 4 or 5 feet of water, just casting it out, dragging on rocky bottoms. We'll see how it goes, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys out in the water. Guys, I just shut off the camera and I got one on the line here. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a walleye. There you go, guys. Whoa, jeez, and he threw the middle at me. There you go. That's what we're working right here. There it is. It's a nice 12-incher. A lot of these. Nothing too crazy. I mean, you can keep them if you want. There's no slot size out here, but you can only get 3. So definitely don't want to bag up with 3 little ones like this. I want the nice 15 to 18 inchers. That way I get a good meal. So there it is. Nice walleye on the jig and minnow. Bah! Let's see if we can do that again. Like, as soon as I turn off the camera and I make a cast out there, he just hammers it. So I'm going to sit down and fish for you guys right out here. Again, all I'm doing is rigging. If anything, I recommend a bigger fathead minnow, like the large. They didn't have the large, they just had a medium. So just like that, simple, easy. Just bounce it and drag it at the bottom. Boom. Alright, so if you catch another one. Because I'm fishing so shallow, I'm trying my best to like hop the jig really aggressive back so they can like come and crush it, you know. If I'm fishing deeper, I'll work it slower, but it's only 5 feet of water, so it's not bad. Even if they are suspended, they can see and go straight down and grab them. Oh gosh, I felt them hold it too. Look, that's a piece of the head. I felt the fish hold onto the minnow. Got him. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a drum. Oh no, it's a walleye. Yep. Hello, dude. That's what's been snatching my bait, guys. Right there. Little walleye. Little Walter, like we say. See if we can do it again. Got him. He pinned it right on the ground. Yep, it's another walleye. Here we go. We're just crushing them today, guys. Lots of little guys, but it's a good sign. Lots of walleyes are moving in. Got him. Oh, there we go. I felt them smash it too. Running right at the boat. It's like walleye number 10. Just crushing minnows on a green jig head. See ya! So what I'm doing right now is I'm fishing a rock pile, right? I'm casting right into the rock pile. I use my side imaging. I found a bunch of rocks. Sure enough, there's a bunch of walleyes in there. When I feel like a thump or I feel like a rock, a solid hit, I just kind of like shake it off, you know, just kind of like that. Just pop it off and then just let it sit back in there again, and hopefully something picks it up. Nothing crazy. You could drag it too if you want to, but the chance of you snagging will be a lot higher. But if you hop it like this on a round jig head, you can get the minnow around those rocks and really knock on it. This is the last minnow. I don't want to use it up all on the small walleyes. We'll see if we catch one more and then we'll keep moving. I felt that hit. That was cool. They got a little perch in here too, so I wouldn't doubt it with the perch. Got him. There we go. Oh, it's a nice walleye. Oh, it's not nice, but it's a little better. I guess, right? Just like that, guys. On the green jig head and a minnow. Just like that. Super easy way to fish for them. Anybody can do it. Just go buy a green jig head, 1/4 ounce minnow, and catch yourself some nice walleyes out here in Bago. See ya! Oh my. What the hell is going on, dude? What is going on? What is going on? Let me just throw this plastic out there real quick. There's something out there taking my bait. Got him. Okay, put on the plastic and we got one. There you go. That's a nice, oh geez, and he falls. Yeah, that's a nice one right there. On the plastic. Wow, finally, been snatching bait all day. Going back. Got him. That's a nice one too. They all feel nice because they're pulling. Oh, that's a good one right there. Lots and lots of walleyes. That's crazy. Go. There we go. We're on. We're on. I don't know what it is. I think it's a walleye. Yep, it's a little walleye. Yeah, there we go. Nice. He's too small to keep, so I'm gonna let him go. At least gotta be 14, 15. This is like a 12-incher right here. On that lipless. You want that moving bait, alright. Do, going back. Oh, I got sweeped, dude. I got sweeped. There we go, he's on. He's on. He came back for it. Nice. He came back for it. It's a walleye. Yeah. Nice. Look at that, guys. It's another little dude. I mean, they're okay, not bad, but wow, dude freaking sweet me twice. That's cool. Yep, if I was keeping my 3, I'd be close to being done already, but we're gonna go for a little bigger. Oh jeez, relax, relax. Oh, okay, okay. Chill. Going back in. Got him. You got one. What is it? What is it? It's pretty small. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh, and it's a fighter too. Yeah. Here we go. You wrecked it. Let's go. Right there. Got one. That's a nice one too. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. What is that? This one might keep. Oh, oh. Oh no, it's a drum. My dream came true. My dream came true. It's a drum. Drum on a minnow. There we go. Well, at least it worked. Yep, nice pretty guy. Ooh, not really, but it's a fish. Man, this stretch is nice. There we go. That's a big fish. I got him. I think it's a drum. Oh man, it's a drum. I found the drums. Oh jeez, I found the drum. Should get my net ready just in case. Oh my gosh, it's got another one. What is this? Oh, it's a smallie. Let's go. Nice. It's a nice smallie too. Wow. That's cool. Okay, I guess I'll take a smallie. Chill, buddy, chill, chill, relax, 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 relax. I know, I'll be pissed too. All right, nice guy going back. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh, it's a really nice fish. What is that? I gotta get the net for this one. Hope it's a walleye. Oh, it's a drum, dang it. Yeah, he smashed it hard as heck. What the freak? He hit it so hard. I thought it was a walleye. Jeez. Alright guys, so I think that's a wrap for today. I don't know what happened. I mean, when it was cold, wet, and like rainy and windy, the bite was on. It was amazing. The bite picked up. There was a bite at least every 2 minutes, so I don't know what happened after the storm or after the little rain that we got. It just completely shut off. So that's just how it goes sometimes, and we're gonna wrap it up and head out of here. So good day. Hopefully you guys learned something new today, and I'll see you guys next time.